tires move really fast on the ground. It doesn't go that fast. But it's a really cool car. It's a Daytona. It's a really good stunts car, pretty much. It's just really a normal car. I just got it a bit. I want to show you guys how it drives. Okay, I'm going to go under these cars. Just one, because there's a bunch of... I'm sorry, yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Here he
I'm
goes.
trying to go off this ramp.
Here we go.
Okay, get up for the ramp. Woo!
Woo!
Up, up.
It doesn't work that well. I need something flatter.
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
That's your shower, and that makes
Take it out in the street.
Yeah, we're going on the street. I'm going to stop recording.